So with all different types of work holding on the market, which one do you choose? Well, Ian, we can pretty much see you've chosen Lang. So why? Why did you take that decision?
Well, we use the Lang system throughout our machining centre, so every machining centre has a Lang system on it. Again, versatility, repeatability. We use the micro grip stamping system on these vices. You can have tombstone plates, you can hold round components or round billets within these systems, but again, back to it, versatile. It's a really versatile system, very repeatable, up to 5 microns repeatability, and the micro grip stamping system, again, if you take something out of the vise, you can put it back in exactly the same place.
So obviously you're doing a lot of 5-axis work as well, so is that another reason for this system? Because let's be honest, once you've stamped a block, it's going nowhere.
Yeah. So yeah, the type of components we're producing on these machines, they're complex. So it's all about running hours as well on these machines. So we're looking for the repeatability of the Lang vise, the Lang risers and the Lang mounting plates with the pull-down studs, again, as you can see in front of you here.
Now, obviously, you've just got this Aroa system, so what was it like mounting all these different bits of equipment from Lang onto that plate to then be moved into the machine?
It was a challenge to start with, and you have to go through a learning curve on any piece of new equipment, but the Lang system really is a plug-and-play system. With the pull-down studs and the clamping positions, they're all common features, so they're transferable from machine to machine, and you get perfect repeatability each time.
And you've got quite a few machines in your machine shop, so with having the Lang system and the pull-down studs, is that made it able for you, so if a part's on a machine and that machine goes down, you can simply lift it off, put it on another one, away you go?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, we've got 11 CNC machining centres here, all Hercos of various shapes and sizes. Our largest one can cater for 4.2 metres by 2.5 metres, and everything in between. So yeah, we've done it deliberately. If we have a machine breakdown, these are interchangeable, and you can move the jobs from machine to machine to ensure continuity of supply to your customer base.
And I like how you said you've got this system on every machine, so every machine is the same. And like you said, if you have a breakdown, you can just move one from one machine to the other, away you go, and that's it. Job's good one.
Yeah, it's all about versatility, reliability, quality of the parts that we're producing. You've got to have the repeatability to get the quality because of the complexity of some of the parts we do.
And obviously with Lang having a headquarters here in the UK, getting these vices must be quite quick and simple as well.
It is. I mean, it's a big investment. I mean, we've invested in the CNC machines from Herco. It's no good having some of the best machines if you don't have the best holding equipment.
And I like how you finished that. So I actually have no other questions after that because you finished that absolutely perfectly. So Ian, just thank you for your time and thank you for talking us through why you chose the Lang system over other systems on the market.
Thank you.